Hi, I'm Jody Worrell. Today we'll learn a blues lick played over a C7 to F7 groove. The notes we play in the lick will highlight the chord change. Let's hear it a couple of times. Let's look into it and see how it works. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, we notice that there is a little expanse of time before we start playing. And it's really 1E and a 2E. 1E and a 2E, 1E and a 2E. Yep, just 1/16th note past a quarter note. 1E and a 2E. So you'll get the feel for that. We're going to start off with the 6th fret to the 7th fret on our 5th string. You can hammer on that or pick it. I like hammering it on. I find that the more little slurs, hammers, pulls, slides, etc. that we put into our playing serve kind of as our benchmark, the thing that makes us sound like us. So where I might hammer, you might pick. Where I might pull off, you might pick. Where you might pick, I might pull off. So anyway, let's go 6 to 7 on the 5th string, followed by 5, 7, 8 on the 4th. And I'm doing that 7 to 8 with my 3rd finger with a slide. You could go if you want to. I kind of like the keeping it in the slide mode with the 3rd finger. 1, 2. Then we're going to play the 5th fret of the 3rd string twice, and that first one's going to be cut. It's not. Because you notice we have yet another little 16th rest in there, and that's just our way of making those two notes have a definite spot, in between them. And with a fretted note that's not bent, it's very easy to manipulate and manage its duration just by releasing the pressure with your left hand. That's very critical. We have to be able to choose the duration of the notes we play. We don't want to be stuck with long ones when a short one would, when a tight one would work. We don't want to be stuck with staccato if we need it to be. It's a mixture of short and long notes that give our playing a nice little landscape that's interesting rhythmically. Then I'm going to go 7 to 5 on that same string after playing those two notes that have one short one. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then I'm going to go up to the 8th fret. We're moving to our F7 chord, and I'm sort of mentally thinking of this F7, and that's got this note in it, so that's a great note for our lick. See, that's not that great a note for the C chord, but it's a real winner for the F chord, and that gives our playing a sound that includes the sound of the chords changing. All right. 2nd bar, 8, 7, 5, and I'm doing 3rd finger, slide, 3rd finger. You can pull off to that 5 if you want, or pick it. Back down to the 8th fret of the 4th string. Then I'm going to go down here to the 5th fret with my 1st finger on the 4th string and play 1, 2, fingers 1, 2, and 3 on frets 5, 6, 7. By the way, this is the 5th fret here. Right behind me here is the 3rd fret. The nut is just out of frame. Second bar. 5, 6, 7. Whatever you want to do with those. Any of the any combination of hammer-ons or struck notes. And then we're going to wind up right where our second finger wants to go on the 2nd string, which is the 6th fret. That's a nice F note, gives us the sound of our F chord. 1, 2. 1, 2. And that's our phrase. Now we're going to trade the lick back and forth. I'll play first and leave a space after me for you to play. We'll each end up playing 3 times. Now you. Again. And you. Last one. 1, 2. And you. All righty. Work hard on that trading section till you can nail it all 3 times. I hope you find this lick useful. Be sure to check out my other lessons on soloing over chord changes. I'm Jody Worrell, and I'll see you next time.